Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking.
Today I'm going to show you how I make my quesadillas. So the ingredients that you'll need, I have 2 chicken breasts that I cut up into small dices, little cubes. So it's 2 chicken breasts. I have 1/4 of a cup of salsa. I'm using the mild. You can use whatever kind you'd like. I have 14 ounces of the Fiesta cheese. 1 packet of the taco seasoning mix, which is 1 ounce, and some tortilla shells, along with some olive oil. I'll place the olive oil in my frying pan on the stove. I'll place the chicken in the frying pan. I'll cook my chicken until it's well done. So now I'll go get my oil. This is optional. I also have 1/2 of an onion that I sauteed, along with 1/2 of a green pepper that I sauteed, and then I cut that up into little chunks. So I'll leave this off to the side until I get my chicken cooked, and then I'll mix everything together along with this 1 packet of the taco seasoning mix. So I'll take my chicken. I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil in my pan. I have my burner on medium. I'll place my chicken in. I'll salt. So about a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of pepper. I'm just eyeballing it. Now I'll mix this all together. Once the chicken is cooked, then I'll add in the 1/2 of onion and 1/2 of green pepper that I already sauteed. Then I'll add in the packet of the taco seasoning mix. You want to make sure your chicken is fully cooked. Now I'll add in my taco seasoning mix. Mix it around. I want to coat all the chicken. Now that the chicken is coated, I'll add in the 1/4 of a cup of salsa. You want to stir that around. I'll lower my heat to simmer. That looks good. So now I'll turn my burner off. Now that I have the salsa and the taco seasoning mix in there, I'm going to add in the peppers and the onion. I'll mix that in. It's optional. You don't need the green pepper or onion. I like it in there. It was just 1/2 of a green pepper and 1/2 of an onion that I sauteed and diced. Now to make my quesadillas, I have my shell. I'll place cheese on 1/2. Now I'll place some of the chicken mixture on top. So I'm placing it on top of the cheese. Now I'll place more cheese on. And you want to fold it over. I have some olive oil in my frying pan. Now I'll place this in my frying pan. I have my burner on medium. The olive oil's in the pan. Now I'll place my shell in the pan. I'm flattening it down. You want to brown it on one side, flip it over, brown the other side. I'll place 2 in the pan. So once it browns, then I'll flip them over, and then they're done. These quesadillas are so good. You can serve them with sour cream or some more salsa or hot sauce, or just eat as is. So I'm just flattening them I'm actually pressing down on them. Once the cheese melts to the tortilla shell into the chicken, that's how it all sticks together. So I flipped them over. It's lightly golden brown. I'll flip them back. So I'm just pressing them down. Depending on how much chicken you put in here, it depends on how many you can make. I have 4 shells, but I know it'll make about 6 to maybe 7 because it was 2 chicken breasts that I used, and I didn't put much chicken in them. I didn't want to overload it. See how easy it is to flip them over? That cheese melted beautifully on the shells. You want them nice and crispy. Now that browned up beautifully. So now I'll take them out of the pan, put them on my plate, and continue on with the rest. So now I'll continue on with the next 2. Put some cheese. And this is shredded cheese I'm using. Put some more of the chicken. More cheese. Flip it over. Then I'll go put it in my frying pan. On to the last one that I have. The rest of my cheese. Flip it over. And now I'll go place this one in my frying pan. You can see how much is left out of the 2 chicken breasts. You could probably get 2 more out of here. I made 4, and I'm using the smaller shells. So just press down on these. So now I'll take a little piece, give it a try. They are so good. Deserves a second bite. Very, very good. Quick and easy, too. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking and watching me make my homemade quesadillas. Give them a try. They're really good. Quick and easy, too. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.